Hi everyone, we have as a part of our internship, we have done another project. It is about the image classification using deep learning models. And so we all know that deep learning is the advanced version of machine learning, which help us to deal with a different type of data set and large amount of data sets. So this project is all about the classifying the positive and negative COVID patients with the help of the X-ray images. So chest X-ray images. So this is our aim also. So we are trying to identify the COVID and negative patients with the help of their chest X-ray. So to get into this project, we will create a environment in the Anaconda Navigator. We can create another environment with the help of our PowerShell or Anaconda prompt also. But we are using this Anaconda Navigator only. So see, we have our base environment and we have created another environment, namely Project COVID. And in this, and for this, we gonna run the our Anaconda prompt with the with sorry as a as an administrator, and so that we can install our different mm, different libraries like TensorFlow, OpenCV, and Flask for the web development. And now let's deep dive into our project. So here we are installing our library like NumPy, OS for path, CV2. That means you are importing the OpenCV, and this is for the matplotlib. See here, I have installed the matplotlib. See, this matplotlib, NumPy, and all these things are like they are already inbuilt. But as we are creating a new environment, so we need to install the matplotlib also in this new environment. So let's understand the data sets what we have. So if we see here our so this is the data set for COVID-19. So see here the COVID-19 negative data set, and we have the COVID-19 positive data set. So I've given the we have categorized this between these two categorize our data set between the two lists. Created the two lists here, and we have the directory. With the help of this path, we are trying to access those two files, other two folders, COVID-19 positive and COVID-19 negative. And with the help of the loops, for loop, we are trying to merge this category for variable and directory variable with the help of our for loops. And this is our image, like sample image, which is like it's gonna look like this. We have taken the grayscale because if we load the original one, it will take time. So this here we are trying to collect our data and merge and collect our data with the path with the help of this directory and category for folders, sorry, variables. And now here we are creating the two empty lists, and we are appending this features and label within this list. And so this is the shape of our list, and with the help of pickle we are saving the our list, sorry, our variables, and with the x pickle and y pickle. So we have another file, Jupyter file. So with the help of pickle, like we are to open this our saved date saved data set which we have done with the x dot pickle and y dot pickle. So here we are training mm, our data. So for the training our data, we are putting the TensorFlow and different other modules of TensorFlow. We are using the ReLU activation function, which is the more commonly used, and the softwax. So here optimizer here we are using as the Adam, and this is a common thing, trend test split. So it's this epochs. It is taking the different iteration, and at last we have a total of 99.02 of accuracy. And if we come to the testing data, also validation we have of 98%. So it's quite good for us. So and we are saving the model with COVID model folder, which is gonna save here. Save. Now we are predicting the our our model. So we have given this. We have used this only. Sorry, we have used a TensorFlow, and the different category is given like we are classifying the COVID-19 COVID positive. We have the image given here, and on the basis of our image size and shape, and here the model is loading the means model is reading the COVID model, which I have already saved here with on the basis of our training, and on the basis of this model we are predicting the different images. So here if you see here we have the COVID negative of this image, and so the prediction is like it's we are this prediction array, like how our prediction data look like. So now this is done. So let us uh, deploy it on the CV, sorry, PyCharm IDE. So for deployment, we have used this two uh, three kind of file we need, especially this application folder where we are connecting the uh, different type of folders, sorry, different type of labels, and more variables we have created during our training. And here we have the prediction thing. Here we have the prediction file. It's not opening, but here we have the index HTML. This is the HTML file, and with the help of this file, we gonna open the open our COVID model on the website. So let's understand this application file first. So we are importing the Flask, and here we are from this prediction file we are importing the predict COVID, and here we are giving the different route like upload on the index HTML. Which is this file, and so this application folder will help us to predict the predict the patient, either he is a COVID negative or positive. Now let us understand. So see here I have run the application folder, and I got this URL. On the basis of this URL, I gonna predict the patient, either the patient is the COVID positive or negative. So let us validate our data. So if I am choosing our file from anywhere, so let's see, I'm taking the COVID negative data and I'm opening it. Now let's predict. See, it's COVID negative. Now I'm choosing the COVID positive one image from COVID positive. Let's choose this. Let's predict. See, this is COVID positive. So this is how we can create different we have done the image classification using deep learning, and we have deployed on the website also. So yeah, thank you, and thank you for your listen.